Hello and welcome to Hotel Matamba, which is located in Phantasialand, Germany. I'm here in a Parkview family room with a balcony, and I've just got to say, I love this hotel so much. Right, let me show you around. The first area here is the kids' bedroom, and what's nice about it is that it's completely separate from the other bed, so you basically don't end up disturbing each other once you go to bed. It's all decorated like a safari tent, and because my kids are still pretty young, we flip the bed sideways to give them a bit more room and to try and stop arguments in the night. Next to the door here, there's some space for coats and umbrellas. And this here is the storage space for things like luggage, bags, coats, food and drink that you can basically hide behind this curtain. I was a little bit disappointed that there wasn't a room safe, but it's not the worst thing in the world. There's also a kind of shoe rack here. Sorry about all the mess, this was after a few days. Then we've got a big desk here with a chair, a bottled water that gets refilled daily, some themed newspapers relating to Ruckberg, which is the steampunk area of the park with the ride Fly. Then into the window bay, there's this comfy chair, stool, and a tiny table. So this is the main bed, which again is safari themed with kind of the netting coming down. And just a bit of a note, the bed was surprisingly hard. But then again, I do like to really sink into a bed. I love it really, really soft. I know it's personal preference, really. There's a lamp on each side of the bed, although one didn't work at all for us. What is weird is that the lamp kind of turns on like this with a switch on the side, but then the other lamp over the other side of the room has a different switch. Why? No idea. I also forgot to mention that there's a big TV just above the desk here. Then obviously this is the best thing about the room, the balcony, which not only faces into the park, but also gives you a brilliant view of the first drop and loop of Black Mamba. I love that ride so much. It might just be better than Nemesis. And do you know what? I love sitting out here with a coffee and watching it go around, and I get to take in all the sounds of the park. It's absolutely wonderful. This here really threw me. It wasn't until I picked it up that I actually realised it was an ashtray. I genuinely sometimes forget that people actually still smoke. Do you know what? I do love like the general aesthetic of the room. It's got loads of animal prints everywhere, and the walls and the floor has this like hard textured feel, which kind of makes it seem like it's been made by hand out of stone or something. Do you know what? The smell of this hotel, especially in the reception, is fantastic. It's easily on par with some of the Disney hotels. Then in here we have the bathroom. It does look a little bit small in the video, but it's actually a decent size. This sink has kind of been hollowed out of one massive piece of stone, which just looks and feels amazing. You get some free goodies here. And you know, I love the wood around this mirror. It's like really rustic, like handmade again. Then under the sink, there's loads of stuff here. You actually get a decent hairdryer, and got to say the wife loved that. And you also get this kind of small basket with like some toilet roll and tissues and things in. Then at the very bottom, there's a step, which is brilliant for small kids. I love it when places do that. Again, there's just so many textures and contrasting elements, like the dark tiles and then the zebra print border. There's the toilet, pretty standard affair. And then we go into the absolutely massive shower. Now, do you know what? It doesn't look that big, but I genuinely think you would easily get 4 people in. To be honest, you can decide if you want to. I'm not going to judge. But the shower itself is fantastic. The water pressure is brilliant. Probably the best shower I've had anywhere. I couldn't even get it onto the most powerful jet because it actually hurt me. And do you know what? The water gets properly hot. You also do get shower gel and shampoo stuff on the wall, and again, it just smells wonderful. The only weird thing I found with this is the sliding bathroom door, because if you push it, the door kind of comes away like this, and my 2-year-old keeps pulling and banging on it, so just be aware of that. Also, quick tip, for every night that you stay at the hotel, you get 1 free quick pass per person, which is basically like a fast pass, which can be used at any point during your stay for either Mouse au Chocolat, Chapas de Wasaban, Talakan, either of the Wingers rides, or Colorado Adventure. Make sure you use them. So overall, I thought this room was absolutely fantastic. Yes, it may not quite have the allure of Hotel Charles Lindbergh, but you know what? It fit our entire family of 4 in. There's plenty of room. It's comfy. It's really well themed. The food in the hotel is absolutely brilliant. And you know what? That balcony is just the cherry on the top. I will definitely be coming back here. If you're interested to see how I got on it in the park and what my thoughts of Phantasialand in general were, make sure you click this video here. And thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you out there.